How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two platforms in the domain hosting and web development scene, being Bluehost and Wix. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So let's talk about the key differences between the two platforms and what exactly they specialize in. So as we all know, Bluehost is a domain hosting site, and they kind of specialize. Their design kind of specializes on the integration of WordPress, WooCommerce. So a lot of functions that go hand in hand with web content management. So that's what they specialize in. Whereas Wix, on the other hand, is an Israeli software company that's more about web development. So Wix is actually a tool that doesn't require any coding knowledge and gives you pretty much the same idea as a website builder. So if you guys were looking to create a website or a splash page from scratch, then Wix is the one to go to. Now let's talk a bit more about the differences between the two. So Bluehost is going to set you back for the pricing. Bluehost is going to set you back $2.95 per month, whereas Wix is going to charge you $16 a month. Now, while this is a huge gap in the price range, I will say that Wix very much specializes in web development, whereas Bluehost is more about the hosting aspect of web domains. And Wix also comes with an uptime guarantee of 99.9%. So what this means is that when you go to transfer your domain to a different hosting site, then there wouldn't be any downtime, as all of the data transfer is happening live, and you can use the server without any problems. And as far as storage is concerned, I believe that Bluehost, the basic plan goes up to 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, whereas Wix would only give you 2. So at the end of the day, it's going to depend on what type of application you want to use it for. If you're looking to create a website from scratch, then obviously you want to opt for Wix, as it can help you create the interface for your website. So if your business model was something like a dropshipping site or an online store, then obviously Wix is the one to go for. Whereas Bluehost is more of a hosting site, so a storage or a server for a database. So if you guys were looking to run a web content management website or a CRM site, then obviously Bluehost is the one to opt for. So with all that said, hopefully you guys learned something from this video. And before we end it here, I just want to quickly remind you that you can get 75% off your very first Bluehost plan, plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to check that out, be sure to click on the link, as it greatly supports the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.